Greetings everyone. Today I would like to talk about this book. This book is about Mongolian shamanism, about dark shamans. The author is Dorj Bandrano, Buryat shaman with an Orenha origin. He writes in the very beginning critiques about lamas. Zan Bazar Намхай жанцсан гих митийн ихэс ламс Монголын үндэсний соёл бүтээсэн зүйл үгүй. Харин ч ламын шашиндаа илүү ихийг бүтээж, харин шашныг Монголд нутагшихад их үүрэг гүйцэтгэж ирсээр бусдын шашныг Монголын угсаатны үндсэн шашин гэж ярьдаг нөхдүүд дээр мөнх тэнгэр шүтэн доор өвгдийг цусаар хамгаалагдсан газар шороо байдаг санаж байх ёстой билээ. Well, he criticizing the second Bogdizeng Zan Bazar being a promoter of the foreign religion, and this religion is not our traditional religion, and for those who claim that the religion of lamas is our traditional religion, they must know about the sky Lord and about the blood of our ancestors. Well, he writes about Halch Mongols. Их уул гол мөрнүүд нь Монголын хойд хэсэгт байдаг. Great mountains are located. Mountains of worship are located in the northern parts of Mongolia. Тэнд жинхэнэ Монголын төлөөлөл болсон халхууд аж төрдөг. Halch Mongols are the representative of the true Mongols. And he writes about Halch Mongolian practice of creating a place of worship. A place of worship is not a temple or church. It's simple a pile of rocks. People first must choose a good spot, and they start to bring weapons, armors, clothing, foods, and other offerings. They put it as a pile and cover it with stone, and awa is created. Halch Mongols create 13 awas, and it is their view of the world. In the middle they put a wooden image of Hangarit, fire bird, and he speaks about this firebird. Hangarit домгийн галт шуу халахаар Hangardi гин. Энэ Hangardi шууны тухай Монголын бүү мөрөглийн соёлд хожим буддизм нэвтэрж орох үеэс орсон нэргэлзээгүй. Hangardi is a fire bird, a mythical bird, and he knows that it is a part of Mongolian shamanism, but he thinks that this bird is a Buddhist deity, Buddhist goddess. Well, he also writes about Irlik Khan, and he writes that our fire worship may come from ancient Persia, because the ideas are very similar. And he writes that we must study Turkic Shaitan, Satan, and Ahriman. And these Tatars call these gods as angry souls. And he writes, Монголчуудын домгуудын дотроос Ahriman буюу түүнтэй адилхан адил бурхтын тухай олох гэсний хэрэггүй юм. Харин энэ нь монголчуудын хувьд Ирлэг хаан буюу үхлийн бурхан гэсэн тодорхой нэртэй юм. Well, he knows about Irlik Khan, and he accepts him as being the main fire god. And he also says that you must not search for this god named Ariman. Well, you must know that half Mongols create Irlik Khan's image with horns, and we also create the phoenix's image with the horns, and the Irlik Khan is the father of all other fire beings. So this Hangarit is our 100% Mongolian goddess, and she is the daughter and servant of the Irlik Khan. Well, thanks for watching.